Worried about being healthy on Thanksgiving? Hi, this is Dr. Brooke Goldner from Goodbye Lupus, and I want to help you have a happy and healthy holiday. So first of all, if you are trying to heal from a disease right now and you're trying to eat as healthy as possible, then what you want to do is be prepared. If you're hosting at home, have your green smoothie before the meal. Make sure that you prepare lots of healthy meals for yourself. If it's all raw, make beautiful salads, maybe raw spring rolls, maybe a raw dessert, so that you feel like you're really fulfilled with your meal even while you're enjoying your company. You could even host an all plant-based Thanksgiving, or as people like to call it, a Thanksgiving, to make sure that nothing in your house is actually going to tempt you to go off of your plan. Now, if you're going to someone else's house for Thanksgiving, then I recommend that first of all, you let the host know about your diet. That way you can avoid peer pressure. They might want to push stuff on you that you're not eating, but if you let them know ahead of time, listen, I know you're going to have delicious stuff, but I'm on a special diet, so please don't tempt me. And then bring your own food so that you can stay full and keep your plate full of things that you know that you should be eating. Also, make sure you focus on the meaning of the holiday, which is family and fun and gratitude, not pie and turkey. If you do that, you can have a beautiful event. Now, if you know that you need to stay healthy, but you're not going to be able to avoid temptation, I would consider actually going to the event maybe after the meal. Talk to the host, find out when they're serving dinner, and instead of going during the dinner, show up afterwards for the football game or for the movies or for the karaoke or whatever it is that you do to have fun after the meal. That might be a better choice for you. If you know that that's not going to work, that there is no other fun, it's just about the food, then maybe consider making plans with those same people on a different day. That way you don't have to sit there and stare down stuff you're not supposed to eat, but instead you can go and relax and enjoy their company when there's not going to be all that tempting and inflammatory stuff right in front of you. Now, something else that you can do if you're already in a maintenance phase where you know you're going to eat inflammatory stuff, or maybe you're not emotionally ready yet to avoid those things and you already know I'm going to eat the bad stuff, then one thing you can consider is filling up on the good stuff first. So before Thanksgiving, load up on green smoothies, eat an enormous salad right before the meal or during the meal. That way you don't have much stomach space left. So if you do eat something inflammatory, it'll be minimal. And if you really want to help yourself, get a workout in too to try to burn some of it off. But whatever you do, I hope you have a beautiful holiday, and I'll see you next time.